Dubai Islamic Bank, a UAE bank review. In this video, we'll deliver an expert review of Dubai Islamic Bank, exploring its features, benefits, and overall user experience. Interested in DIB's services? Find product links in the description below. As one of the UAE's largest Islamic banks, DIB offers a wide array of Sharia-compliant financial services. Whether you're an individual or a business, DIB has solutions designed for you. Their services include savings and current accounts, credit cards, home and auto loans, and investment options. DIB's personal banking features competitive monthly fees, high-quality customer service, and a robust mobile app. This intuitive app provides seamless account management, fund transfers, bill payments, and even loan and credit card applications. It caters to everyone, from tech-savvy millennials to traditional banking users. DIB's Islamic finance solutions, based on principles like Murabaha and Iara, offer ethical, interest-free banking. Their home and auto loans, for example, align with these principles. For businesses, DIB offers customized solutions including business loans, trade finance, and merchant services. DIB's digital banking tools streamline operations and boost efficiency. In conclusion, Dubai Islamic Bank provides a solid, reliable banking experience for individuals and businesses across the UAE. Whether you need personal or business banking, DIB offers a trustworthy, ethical, and convenient platform.